You're probably saying to yourself, Robadeer, I don't have a graphing calculator at home. Neither do I. So if I want to see what a graph looks like, I'm going to go to this Desmos graphing. It's called Desmos. And actually, let's search it because I wanted you to see. Desmos is beautiful, free math. Now let's go to the graphing calculator. And I'll actually want to look at the graphs that we did today in class. So let's look at our first graph, the Blue Bombers. The Blue Bombers had a graph of 81 minus x squared. And for now, we have to use the caret button. Do you remember the caret button? So that's how we have 81 minus x squared. And good night. I can't even see it. I see I can go from -9 to 9. Oh, and look, it gave me the points, but I can't see what's up there. Now I can zoom out, but that still doesn't help. So maybe what I need to do is look at my graph settings. So I go to this wrench, and I'm going to have my x-axis go from -12 to 12. Then I'm going to have my y-axis go from -1 maybe to, let's go 85. And there it is. Now, notice here, I have this option where I can do a zoom square, and it'll kind of make everything as a square for me. I'm not feeling that one, but you see how we can change everything that we need to. Okay. All right, so that's what 81 minus x squared looks like. Now I want to look at red rockets. So I'm going to clear this out, and I want to look at -2x squared plus 29. Oh my gosh, as I type in, notice it's building my graph. X, minus 90. And here it is. And look, it gives me the 0 point at -4.50. Oh my gosh, there's my max, guys. And there's my other order pair, 0, 10, 0. So if I were to ask you for the zeros of a function, you can go to Desmos and it'll point them out for you. It's also showing me the max. But I'm also going to go through the algebra with you. You know that because that's how I roll. And again, I can change this to fit what I want. I'd like to take this from -10 to 10. Well, that really didn't do anything for me. Let's go to 0. And then I want to take this from, that's fine. Oh my, what happened? I lost it, guys. What happened to my graph? Oh, there it is. It's such a teeny tiny thing. Okay, so yeah, I'm playing around with Desmos today. Let's look at another graph. Let's look at -x. And look, there's the line that has a slope of -1. But I want to square it, so I use the caret, which is shift 6. So -x squared plus 12x minus 15. I can zoom in if I need to, even a little more. I can zoom out. And again, it gives me points that are on my graph if I need them. And then my last one is -6x squared plus 53x minus 91. What I did was I created these graphs, I snipped them onto a Word document, and that's how I had the pretty graphs to make your notes.